Hello class, my name is Caitlin Ramirez, and today I'll be teaching you how to insert a sum function, an average function, and also how to freeze the top row and the first column. All right, let's get started. So what I did was open up the Microsoft Excel application and open up a blank document. And I made a school supply list for us. I put the numbers for each book's pencils and markers, and we're going to find the sum for each one and also the average. So to find the sum for this one for fall 2016, what we're going to do is highlight $203.05. After you highlight, you're going to go to Auto Sum and you're going to click it. And it should give you the total. So one more time, you're going to highlight and you're going to put Auto Sum. But let's say that you want to learn how to write the function out manually. What you can do is click equal, type in sum, click it. You're going to see the bracket and you're going to tell the function what cells you want to total or sum. So in this case, we're going to say D2 and we're going to put a colon, D2 to D4. You're going to close the bracket, press enter, and it should give you the total. So now that we know how to insert a sum function, we're going to find out how to find the average function. So what you can do is highlight the column or the numbers of which ones you want to find the average for. You're going to highlight them, go to Auto Sum, but instead you're going to click the drop down button and click average. And it should give you the average. So one more time, you're going to highlight the column, going to drop down button, you're going to do average. But once again, let's say you want to learn how to write the function out manually. What you're going to do is type equal, write average, click it. You're going to see the bracket, and you're going to tell which cells you want to find the average for, which in our case, it's B4, colon, to D4. And you can always tell which ones you're going to total or find the average for if it shows that it's highlighted. So once you're done with the formula, you're going to click enter, and it should give you the average. So now that we know how to insert a sum function and an average function, I'm going to teach you how to freeze the top row and the first column. So you're going to highlight the top row. You're going to click view. You're going to freeze pan, and you're going to freeze top row. So every time you go down your Excel spreadsheet, you'll always see the top row. To unfreeze it is the same way. You highlight, go to view, freeze pan, and unfreeze the top row. All right, now to freeze the first column is the same way as how to do the top row. What you do is highlight the first column, you go to view, then you go to freeze pan with the drop down button and put freeze first column. So every time you go down your Excel spreadsheet, you'll always see the first column. To unfreeze it, you're going to highlight it, go to view, freeze pan, and unfreeze pan. All right, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned something today. Have a great one.